All right, today I'm going to do a review on a diagnostic tester. Somebody reached out to me, asked me to review it. So I said, sure, send me one, and we got it. So I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to see what all comes in the kit, and then we will go out and test it on the Fusion Copart Fusion. All right, so as usual, this is going to be on Amazon, and like I said, the people reached out to me, sent me the thing, and we're going to review it here. Ooh. TOPDON. It says get a free gift, free to get a car phone holder. That was in the package. So this is the product. It's called Code Reader Artilink 500. It says TOPDON. And on the back it says all 10 OBD2 models for most 96 and newer vehicles. OBD2 and CAN. Read and erase code. Switch off the check engine light. Patented one-click readiness test status for smog test. Live data in graph format. Freeze frame retrieval. View the records in malfunction. Quickly get VIN, SIN, and CVN information. So, I don't know what all that means, but we're going to find out. All right, so let's open it up and see what's in the packaging. Hopefully I can open it without a pair of... Oh, look at that. Nicely opens. It's got cardboard. Voila. I wonder if there's... Oh, and it opens up, and the instructions are inside here. So, Code Reader user manual. And then, I guess this is just a quick guide, start guide. But I am gonna move on. I'm gonna read the instructions before I take it the rest of the way out of the box. So bear with me. All right, so I read the instructions. They're somewhat limited. Basically, this is a reader, and you can also test some of the items like your emissions, your evaporative system, and the oxygen sensors. So it's decently handy. And then if you have issues, you can hook it up to your computer and print it off so that you can send it or take it with the car if you're going to go get it fixed. I read right in here that this is targeted for the DIYers out there, just so it can help you out. But it looks pretty decent. It seems pretty straightforward. It'll test. It'll tell you if you got any diagnostic codes, so forth. And then the other items you can test. So I think really the next thing we got to do is take it outside and look at the car, because having a couple issues, and I'll tell you what's going on with it. So here we go. All right, the connector for the OBD2 is under the dash. Ooh, this thing's got a flashlight. That is awesome. It's got a flashlight built in, so if you're doing it in the dark, you got a flashlight to help you. Cool. Give it a plus on that. So, anyways, let's plug this thing in. If I can. There we go. That's the first thing it said to do. Plug it in without the vehicle running. So we're plugged in. And I got a screen now. So I'm going to turn it on simply because... All right, as soon as you plug it in, you get electricity to the unit, and as you can tell, it is in diagnose. It's on the main menu, and I'm going to see how user-friendly this is, because I'm going to see how user-friendly this is, and just try and work it. So we're on diagnose. And the issue I've been having is the automatic transmission is flaring. Not always, mostly when it's cold or it takes a few minutes to get into gear. So if it was an old transmission, I would imagine that I don't have enough fluid in it and the torque converter isn't engaging because of the lack of fluid. But we're going to find out and see if we get any. So diagnose, I'm going to hit OK. It says it's processing. 0 DTCs in unit ECU. Okay, it says readiness complete. 2 readiness not supported. Data stream supported 39. So hit OK. I hit OK. So I can do read codes, erase codes. IM readiness, I think, is for whether you can get it, whether it'll pass a smog test or not. And the O2 sensor is pretty self-explanatory. So first thing I'm going to do is read some codes. So it looks like this is for IM readiness. It appears that I have a bunch of green checks. So I guess that means I would pass. Onboard monitoring. Look at that. VVT monitor bank 1, variable valve timing. Let's see what that says. It's passing. Well, that's good. Glad to know that that works. And just for your note, it says that as long as you have the correct battery voltage, you can do this test with the engine running or not. And these are all the different things you can check with this. So, okay, let's go back and see if I can get to exit. I gotta exit. Okay, onboard monitoring, evap system, vehicle. No, I just did that. I'm gonna read because that's the first thing on the diagnostic menu. So the vehicle has those fault codes, which is a good thing. So I guess I don't have anything wrong. Maybe it's just because it's cold and it's now got 70,000 miles on it. Nothing to erase, so we can't do that. I'm gonna see what the data stream does. So it says calculated load value 32%, which means I'm just running the air conditioner. Coolant is 70 degrees Celsius. 770. This is pretty cool. Ignition timing, intake air temperature. I'm gonna have to see if I can change it from metric to English, but for right now this is good. I'm sure there's something to do to change it up. Okay, so I'm gonna exit this. Gonna exit data stream. Gonna go down. O2 sensor test. Evidently I have 2, so I'll test bank 1, sensor 1. Hit OK. I don't know what those different datas are, but it definitely passes. Test value 0.014, and we're way under the maximum limit, so that's good. Let's exit and test. I wonder what the other test is. We'll go look at that one. Oops, wrong button. That one seems to be even better. So, you know, exit, exit, exit. Check the evap system out. And it doesn't have any leaks, so that's a good thing. And then vehicle information. There's my VIN and all that other good stuff, so I'll probably cut that out or blur it out. See what else is up at the front. That was the diagnostic codes. Okay, yes, I want to exit the diagnostic. Some of these other ones. IM, which is the emissions. Let's look at lookup, see what that is. Nope, wrong button. Oh, this helps you look up your codes if you have them. So that's pretty cool. I think I'm not going to print anything. It's got a help and it's got setup. I bet you that's where you can change unit of measure. Hit the OK button. Metric or imperial, and we'll take the old imperial. And there you go. Now I can, I don't have to convert it. Okay, this shows the hardware version, software version. That's one of the things. You can update it online. You just got to hook it into the computer, and then you can update it online. So that's always a positive right there. All right, so that's pretty much it. I got no DTCs. You can see the green light right there. And then you got green, yellow, and red. So, you know, that's the quick and dirty of it. So, anywho, there you go. Well, I hope you found this somewhat enlightening as a review of this relatively inexpensive diagnostic code reader. In the past, I've checked a couple of other ones that are a little bit more capable, I guess would be the best way to say it. And I've also reviewed some that are you load on your cell phone and you get a dongle, which I love saying that word, dongle, and you can plug it into your OBD2 port and you're good to go, and then you can read it on your cell phone. But overall, I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs up. I mean, unfortunately, I don't have any vehicles, or rather, I should say, fortunately, I don't have any vehicles with codes to actually read. But I think this will give you an idea what the item will do, what you can check stuff for. And I wasn't able to reset any codes because I didn't have any codes. But as you can see, it checks pretty much everything, and you can view some of the real-time readings from your sensor. So overall, like I said, give it a thumbs up. So there you go. All right, and as always, I really appreciate everybody that watches the videos, everybody that likes, shares, subscribes, all that good stuff. I know you'll do what is correct and right for you. So thanks again for watching. Keep it up. I'll keep making them. Have a great day.